A very good morning to all. In today's video, we are going to start the next topic of factorization, that is trinomials of the type. Okay, trinomials of the type ax square plus bx plus c. Let we have an algebraic expression in such a form of ax square plus bx plus c, then how we are going to resolve it into factors and how we are going to get its value of x. So this is how we are going to understand that how we are going to resolve an algebraic expression of the trinomial type. Okay, so first we are having a general expression as ax square plus bx plus c. So there are two cases. Either the first case is that ax square. Here ax is square. That means what is the coefficient of x square? A is the coefficient of x square. So there can be two cases. Either a will be 1 or a will be some other value like 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay, so there are two cases. Either the coefficient of x will be unity, that is 1, or it's not unity, and if it's not unity then other value like 2, 3, 4. Now how we are going to factorize it, we will learn of this. First we are going to take our case, that is case 1, when the value of the coefficient of x square is unity. So if the value of coefficient of x square is unity, that means a becomes 1, and therefore we have equation as x square plus bx plus c. Okay, now we are going to factorize it into the factors. So how we are going to factorize it? First, what you are going to take, you are going to see what are the values of a, b and c. Okay, now we have this ax square plus bx plus c, and when a is unity, so we have a is equals to 1, b we have and c we have. Okay, then what we used to do, we used to multiply the c and a. We have to multiply the c and a. So we get a into c, we get a into c. So whatever will be a into c, we will prime factorize it and we will get its factor. We will get its factor, and whatever the factors we will get, we will try to express b in that term. First of all, we have to check the value of a, we have to check the value of c, we have to multiply them both, and once it is multiplied, we have to get the factors of the product, and once we get the product, we just resolve the factors and express it in terms of b. So here we are going to solve few examples. Let us first have this example, that is factorize 3x square plus 11x plus 10. Okay, so now let us compare with ax square plus bx plus c. We are just comparing it. Here on comparing this with the above equation, we have a is equals to 3, b is equals to 11 and c is equals to 10. Okay, now first we have to write the value of a, b and c from the above equation by comparing it with above equation. Now the next is we have to take a into c. What was a? 3. What is c? 10. That is 30. Now what we have to do, we have to prime factorize it and we have to get its factor. So what are its factor? First 1 and 30, then 5 and 6, then 6 and 5, and then 30 and 1. Okay, these are its factor. Now we have to express this factor in form of b. Here b is 11. Okay, b is 11. Now what you have to do, we have to express the factor in terms of 11. Like we have to either add the two factors or we have to subtract the two factors, but we have to do in such a way that we get the answer as 11. Now if it is 1 and 30, nothing, either we subtract 1 from 30 or 30 from 1, we are not going to get 11, so we just cancel out these two factors. What we are left with? 5 and 6. If we add 5 and 6, we get 11, so yes, we will consider 5 and 6. So what will be our solution? 3x square plus, we had the factor 5 and 6. Now we are just expressing it in the form of 11 as 5x plus 6x and plus 10. Okay, now 5x plus 6x. Simply we have expressed the factors 5 and 6. Okay, now taking x as common here, we can now making it pair. We can take x as common and we are left with 3x plus 5. And the other as taking 2 from here, 3x plus 5. Now we have in one bracket 3x plus 5 and in the other x plus 2. We had 3x plus 5 common and we are left with x plus 2. So these are the factors. Is that clear? So this is how we are going to solve this trinomial. Let us consider one more example. This is 4x square minus 20x plus 9. Again comparing it with ax square plus bx plus c. Here we are getting a as 4, b as minus 20 and c as 9. Then next process is a into c, that will give you 36. Now we have to factorize 36. So what will be the factors of 36? 6 6 are 36. Okay, 6 6 are 36, and then 12 3s are 36. Okay, and then 18 2s are 36, and many more. Now let us see which factors can be expressed in form of 20. Which factors can be expressed in form of 20? Either we have to subtract it or we have to add it. Now 6 plus 6, 12. 6 minus 6, 0. No. 12 plus 3, 15. 12 minus 3, 9. No. 18 plus 2, 20. 18 plus 2, 20. Yes. Here we are getting 18 and 2 as a factor. Now expressing this factor in this equation, 18 plus 2, if we do minus 18x and minus 2, and we know that minus minus add ups together but the sign is negative. Okay, now taking 2 as common, 2x as common, we are left with 2x minus 9. Here again taking 1 as common, 2x minus 9, and then 2x minus 9, 2x minus 9, here it is common, that is 2x minus 9, here it is common. Okay, it is common, and then we are left with 2x minus 1. So these are the factors. Is that clear? Now taking one more solution, the last one, factorize 8a plus b square, a plus 14a plus b and 3. So let us consider this a plus b as x. अगर हम a plus b को x मान लेते हैं, then the above equation can be represented at 8x square plus 14x plus 3. Now comparing it with ax square plus bx plus c, we have a is equals to 8, b is equals to 14 and c is equals to 3. And then what we were doing, a into c, that means 8 into 3 will give you 24. And now getting the factors of 24 and expressing it in the form of 14. Now it's very easy. What we can do, we can get the factor of 24 at 6 4s are 24, 12 2s are 24, okay, 8 3s are 24 and many more. Now first check in this 14, we have to represent it as 14. 6 plus 4 10 and 6 minus 4 2. No. 12 plus 2 14. Yes, 12 plus 2 only we can get. Okay, now just expressing 12 and 2 in the form of 14. We have 8x square plus, because we are not taking a plus b because we have considered it as x, 14x as 12x plus 2x and plus 3. Now just taking common 4x as common, we have 2x plus 3 plus 1 2x plus 3, and this is as 4x plus 1 and 2x plus 3. Now we have 4x plus 1 and 2x plus 3. Now these are the factors when we have considered a plus b as x. Now putting the value of x, that is 4, x was a plus b plus 1 in one bracket, and in the other 2x, 2a plus b plus 3 in the other. Now just extending it, we have 4a plus 4b plus 1, then 2a plus 2b plus 3 in the other. So these are the factors which we are getting, that is 4a plus 4b plus 1 and 2a plus 2b plus 3. So this is how we are going to solve the trinomial. Okay, first we compare it with our general equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c, this, and then we take the product of a and c, we get the product, we just make its factor, and then we arrange the factor just to get the value of b. Hope this video has cleared you much about the concept of the trinomials of the type. Do try the questions which is given in the PDF and try to solve the left part of the exercise. Thank you.